This horizontal packaging machine is designed to handle a wide range of elastic and non-elastic webbing products, from 4 mm to 60 mm in width. With a packaging speed of up to 120 meters per minute, the machine uses a synchronized belt conveyor system to minimize wear and tear. For added safety, it includes a twist detection shutdown function that immediately halts operation if tangling occurs, keeping your production safe and smooth. 2 simple buttons control independent variable frequency drives for front and rear units separately. The precise meter counter helps track production volume with accuracy and efficiency, while the integrated metal detector automatically stops the machine if any foreign metal is detected. The 300 by 300 millimeter packaging table can be raised and lowered with a button and the foot pedal, allowing for smooth, effortless operation with just one hand. This user-friendly feature ensures that a single operator can manage the machine with ease.